Hi, I'm Sarah. What's your name?
Hi Sarah, I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex. Where are you from?
I am from Canada. And you?
I am from Australia. Do you like Canada?
Yes, I like Canada. It is very beautiful. Do you like Australia?
Yes, I love Australia. It is very sunny.
What do you do, Sarah?
I am a student. I study English. And you?
I am a student too. I study computer science.
That is interesting. Do you like studying computer science?
Yes, I like it very much. Do you like studying English?
Yes, I like it. It is fun to learn new languages.
How long have you been studying English?
I have been studying for 6 months. How about you?
I have been studying for 1 year.
Your English is very good.
Thank you, Sarah. Your English is good too.
Thank you, Alex. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like to play soccer and read books. What about you?
I like to swim and watch movies.
That sounds fun. What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Finding Nemo. Do you know it?
Yes, I know it. It is a good movie. My favorite movie is The Lion King.
I like The Lion King, too. It is a great movie. Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max. Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Bella.
That is nice. I like cats too. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. Do you have any siblings?
I have 2 sisters.
That is nice. Are they older or younger?
They are both younger.
My brother is older. He is 25.
My sisters are 10 and 12.
That is a big difference in age. Do you help them with their homework?
Yes, sometimes I help them. Do you help your brother?
No, he does not need help. He works at a bank.
That is nice. What do your parents do?
My mother is a teacher, and my father is a doctor. What do your parents do?
My mother is a nurse, and my father is a chef.
That is cool. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking. My father teaches me.
That is great. I like cooking too. But sometimes I cook simple meals. My mother is a good cook.
That is nice. Cooking is fun.
Yes, it is. I want to learn more recipes. My favorite dish to cook is pasta.
I like pasta. My favorite dish to cook is pizza.
Pizza is delicious. What toppings do you like?
I like cheese and pepperoni. What about you?
I like cheese and vegetables. Great. It was nice talking to you, Alex.
Nice talking to you too, Sarah. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.